This is Mike Barker again, MBE, and I'm the world leading scientist in bomb disposal of all sorts, which isn't particularly relevant in this case, except I don't find any difficulty in going onto the government website with any law and looking at all the holes that are deliberately created in it, so it gives the judges plenty of room to decide what they want to do, and barristers can argue till doomsday and get their money pockets filled up with the money at the expense of individuals. The particular case I'm very, very annoyed about are the thousands of parents who have had their children removed from them without any abuse taking place at all and have been totally innocent. And this has happened so many times it is beyond belief. The reason it happens is that the government have formed this family courts system which supports the social services right up to the hilt, even if those individuals in those services have actually broken the conditions which have been laid down upon which they operate. Now, these family court systems are by the own guidance of how people are held to account underneath the 1998 Human Rights Act, where individuals have a right to a fair trial. This is totally disregarded by the family court systems. You get the situation where children are removed from their parents, which is theft of their property. And so it is a trial of the parents. And so those parents, they are bound to have the due process of law applied, that they are deemed innocent until they are proven guilty. There's no question about that, but that is totally ignored by these family court systems, who just find in favour of the social services on the probability that they might have caused some abuse whatsoever. And even worse, they even accept the hearsay evidence opinion of groomed psychiatrists who have to find something to agree with the social security services, otherwise they would not get their next cheque from them. That is bribery. It's the same as if I paid someone to give me an alibi if I murdered someone to say I was with them the previous night. It's as bad as that, and that's going on under the guise of what we call the United Kingdom justice system, which is appalling. My advice to everyone who's in this situation is that when you're ever called before a family court judge, when the legal advisor beckons you to stand up, you remain firmly seated in your seat. And this is the legal way, the message that you give to the judge. You do not accept the jurisdiction of this family court system. Then you'll be given an opportunity to say why. And you simply say, because I don't want my case to be heard by a second league judge and this family court illegal system. I want my case to be held in front of the High Court with 12 decent men and women as jurors, sworn to secrecy and held in camera, and any children that are brought in as witnesses can be connected by video link to the courtroom so they can be asked questions in a very gentle way by the judge, I hope would take place, so you can hear straight from the minors' mouths what their views are, who are the most important of all. Because I have got a case in which the interpretation of what the children have said has been totally disagreed with by these LAC reviewing officers just to suit their ends, to keep the children away from a mother who's totally innocent and who's never abused their children at all, and nor has her partner. And I am bringing the cases against the council concerned here at Havering London Borough Council to support this woman, which I won't mention on camera, and that will be again heard here tomorrow as a court injunction to have her children immediately return to her pending the trial, which I'm ready to go straight ahead with the following day. So I tell all you parents that you have the right to disagree with these family court system and get everyone else not to have anything to do with them, because once you're in that family court system, you've lost the case when you step 1 foot inside the door. And that is not justice. Have nothing to do with it. And insist that you're going to have the Premier Court, the High Court, with a jury of 12 ordinary men and women who can see that justice is done. Because a lot of them will be parents too, and they'll see it's criminal. As I've seen here today at the family courts, the Royal Courts of Justice, so many parents absolutely out of their mind the way they've been treated. And this is appalling. So I'm afraid that our judicial system in the United Kingdom needs to be turned upside down, and I'm going to do it because with my new World Court government, there will be a single judicial system with all the laws which everyone throughout the world will abide by with the same set of punishments. So we all know exactly how we stand on earth as fellow human beings, whether we're black, brown, yellow or white. And every one of you means the same to me as my own family, and I'm going to fight my corner, even at risk to my own life, to make sure I leave the world a much safer place than when I came in through. Thank you very much indeed for your time, and my email address is Mike A. Barker, MBE, without any full stops or underscores, @gmail.com. And I'll be very interested for any of your views. Thank you very much indeed for listening to this YouTube. Thank you.